Hey guys, welcome back to Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. Today we're making up another easy midweek meal. Creamy ground beef and noodles. Simply satisfying, delicious. You are going to love it, so let me show you how to do this. So the first thing we're going to do is boil up some pasta in some salted boiling water for about 9 or 10 minutes until they're al dente. Now I'm using shells in this case, but you can use whatever pasta you like. After they're done, I'm just going to remove them, drain them, and set them aside. Next up, we're going to add some oil to a pan over medium-high heat. Then in with an lb or pound, half a kilo of medium ground beef. Then we're just going to break this up and fry it up until it becomes nicely browned. And if you have any excess water, such as I do in this case, you can go ahead and drain this off. Alrighty then, our beef is cooked up nicely here. So I am just going to remove it and set it aside in a bowl. In the same pan, now you don't want to touch anything because you got all kinds of wonderful flavors. I'm going to add in half a chopped onion and 3 cloves of chopped garlic. You know me, I just guts to have me garlic. Followed by a teaspoon or 2 of Italian seasoning that I use on everything. Then we shall just stir and saute this until that wonderful aroma of garlic fills the air and those onions become a bit translucent. And I don't know about you guys, but I just love ground beef recipes. They are so versatile and easy. Next up, in with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And just give this a stir around and cook it up for a couple of minutes until that flour is cooked through and becomes brown. So what we're doing is kind of making a roux here. Well, without the butter, that's actually a roux. Now we're going to grab up 2 cups of beef broth and simply add that into the equation. Follow this up with a 15-ounce jar of spaghetti sauce, and I guess you could use marinara sauce too. That works equally as well. Of course, give everything a stir and swizzle around. And we're just going to bring this to a quick boil. Back in with that ground beef that's ever been so patiently waiting on the sidelines. And if any juices accumulated, go ahead and add that in too. Now the pasta that we cooked up earlier, and those shells are going to look so nice in this dish. I think anyway. Let me know what you think. Now we did say creamy ground beef, so we're going in with 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. I suppose you could get away with half and half. I think milk's a little too light though. Another little dusting of ground black pepper. And of course, salt to taste. Time for the old spoon once again and mix everything around until you get that beautiful, wonderful creamy texture. Now your intuition's probably guessed it by now, but I am going to go in to make it super yummy with a cup of old sharp cheddar cheese just to make it super rich and creamy. Oh, so good. I had a pastor that always used to say fattening, but oh, so good. Now I'm thinking here, guys, this is looking absolutely spectacular. I don't know about you, but that's just what I think. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and spoon this into my casserole dish just to make it all pretty like and presentable, you know what I mean. And there you have it, guys, our ground beef and shells, ever so delicious, simple, easy, and fantastical. And I must say, another one of our midweek specials here at Easy Country Cooking and Cook and Share. And you bite into this, guys. It is creamy, rich, and ever so good. Simply as I always say, a must make. And if you do make it, leave us a comment. And if you're so inclined, give us a like, and most of all, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and catch you next time.